Hi! In this video, I'll be showing you how to register on the website for finance. On the dashboard, scroll down and go to Finance Hub, then click on Get Started. On this page, you'll need to enter your basic information such as your email address and phone number. You'll also see options to add your website, Facebook page, or Instagram page. If you don't have these, simply click Continue. Next, you'll need to provide your business details, including your name, the business owner's name, and your trading name. Enter your business name here, and then select your business status, whether you're a sole trader or a limited company. If you select sole trader, scroll down and continue by entering your business address. If you select limited company, you'll also need to provide your company's house registration number. For this example, we'll choose sole trader. Now enter your business address. It's very important to include your postcode, street name, and city. Once that's done, click Continue. Next, you'll need to upload a form of photo ID, either your driving license or passport. Click Upload and choose your document. You'll also need to upload your training certificates. Click Upload to add your certificates, and if you have several, click Add Photo to include more. Once you're done, click Continue. Then upload your insurance policy. Select your insurance company from the list, enter the expiry date, and upload the insurance document itself. Adding your policy number is optional. If you don't have it handy, you can skip it and click Save and Next. Finally, enter your bank account details. Although the form asks for business account information, you can use a personal account if that's what you have. Once you've entered your details, click Continue. At the end, you'll need to provide your signature. You can also read through the terms and conditions by clicking on the link. Tick the box to add your signature, then click Save, and that's it. Your registration is complete.